If you've lost access to your Cash App account and can't receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you regain access without needing those codes. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to proceed with the recovery process. Step 2. Tap on Profile icon. In the Cash App, locate and tap on the profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Support. Scroll down and find the Support option. Tap on it to access the Help section where you can find options for account recovery. Step 4. Choose Something Else. In the Support menu, select Something Else to explore additional options. This will lead you to various issues related to account access and recovery. Step 5. Contact Cash App Support. Look for the option to contact Cash App Support directly. You may need to provide details about your account and explain your situation. Follow their instructions to verify your identity and regain access. After completing these steps, you should be on your way to recovering your Cash App account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Cash App Support for further assistance.